Here's what happens when you make an offer. For example, I found this chair. It looks good. It looks like something I want. Let's say I need 10 of them. I enter in the quantity and then I click make an offer. That's going to lead me to a page where I can add a message to the person who has these chairs. For example, I can pick these up on Tuesday. Will that work for you? Thanks. When I'm happy with my message, I can click submit offer. Okay. Wow, I just got a notification. Someone made an offer on my chair. I can review the offer here. If I need to message back and forth, I can do so here. But this offer looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and accept it. When I go to look at my post, I can see that the quantity has been reduced by 10. That was the value associated with the offer. Oh, I just got a notification. My offer was accepted. I delivered the chairs, so I'll mark the item delivered. I received my chairs, so I'll mark these items received. To keep track of all the offers that I make and receive, I can visit the Exchange Center by going to the Account menu and then clicking on Exchange Center. Here, I can keep track of all of my offers and their statuses.